showing you something I called, I called it the flying slime. So basically you have to get a big slime in. Okay, there we go. And come on. I didn't look. Has to be like around it, like here. Oh, it was right there. Okay, I'll show you another one. Okay, so, see? You can see them just drop and fall. So, basically what I'm trying to show you is the big one shoots up into the air, then it dies, then it forms the four medium-sized slimes, and they're all like, I guess, like 10 blocks in the air. And then they start to fall down so they turn into tiny slimes. I did the same thing with the villager, except they don't draw slimes. My gosh, that'd be weird. But let's just do it again. Oh, whoops. No, I'm not doing it. And you have to make sure it's really close to the TNT. I only got 3. It's a long way to find out. Most of the, like, a fun thing to do with slimes, like that video, a fun thing to do with a chicken. So I hope you guys like this video. Please leave a like if you enjoy, and I'll see you later. Goodbye, everybody.